Okay? So, dalawa po yung ating roots. So, let's proceed to the next example. Yan. So, we have to look for the cube root of 8. Ano, pero kung isosolve natin siya, 'di ba? Ang ating pagkakaalam lang ay ang cube root ng 8 is equal to 2. Ano, pero meron pa po siyang other roots. Ano, kasi as you can see, syempre ang ating k dito ay tatlo. We have at 0, 1, and 2. Okay? Okay, so let's apply again yung ating formula na z raised to 1 over n is equal to r raised to 1 over n for angle 0 plus k multiplied by 360 over n. So we have here ang ating uh, z raised to 1 over n is equal to ano yung ating r. Okay? So uh, if we are going to transpose this or transform this 8 sa ating complex number, sa ating uh, polar form, so di ba ito ay a plus b ay ang ating complex number. So obviously si 8 po ay yung ating a at ang atin pong b ay 0. Okay? So if you're going to transform this to polar form, since yun yung kailangan natin sa atin pong formula, so 8 plus 0 ay so transform to our polar form, that is equal to 8 angle 0. Ano, 8 bar angle 0. So therefore, so we have here 8 raised to 1 over 3 bar angle 0 plus ang atin pong, tama, 0 plus ang ating k is 0 din muna, 360. That is over 3. So therefore, this is 2. And this is cancelled na ano. So kaya nakuha po yung ating 2. Okay? So next po, meron pa tayong other roots. Ano, kasi meron tayo pang at k is equal to 1. So we have here ang atin pong r again is 8 raised to 1/3 bar angle 0 plus 1 times 360 over 3. So therefore, so we have here 2 bar angle. So we have 360 divided by 3. So bar angle 120. Okay, so transform this to its equivalent rectangular form. So 2 bar angle 120 is equal to -1 plus 1.73 I. And the other roots, so we have at k is equal to 2. So we have z is equal to 8 raised to 1/3 bar angle 0 plus 2 times 360 over 3, that is equal to, so we have 2 bar angle 360 times 2 divide by 3, that is 240, or equal to, we have 2 bar angle 240. So we have here the equivalent rectangular form is -1 minus 1.73 I. So this is our roots. So hindi lang po 2 yung cube root ng 8. Ano? So next, let's proceed to the last example. So we have here the fourth root of 3 plus 2i. So same ulit. So i-transform lang sa polar form yung ating 3 plus 2i. So that is equal to 3.61 bar angle 33.69. So we have here yung ating form equal to z is equal to 3.61 raised to 1 over 4. Ano? Bar angle, so ilan yung ating roots? We have apat. We have at k is equal to 0 muna. So sorry. So we have 33.69 plus 0 times 360 over n natin na 4. So that is equal to 3.61 raised to 1 over 4. That is equal to 1.3378 or 1.38. Per angle, we have 33.69 plus 360 divide by 4. That is 98.42. Okay? So, get its equivalent rectangular form. So, 1.378 per angle 98.42. That is equal to negative 0.202 or 20 plus 1.36i. Okay? Next, at k is equal to 1. So we have here z is equal to 3.61 raised to 1/4, 3.61 raised to 1/4 per angle 33.69 plus 1 times 360 over 4. That is equal to 1.378 per angle. So we have 33.69 plus 360. Okay. Ito pala ay na-multiply natin ay sa 1. So, ibig sabihin yung isa natin, so ito na lang ang ating i-zero. Sorry po. So, this is 1. Baligtarin na lang natin. Kasi ito yung na-multiply natin sa 1. So, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0. Okay? So, we have here the value of our argument. So, we have 33.69 lang kasi ito ay makakancel na siya since ito ay multiplied by 0, yung 360. So, divide by 4, that is 8.42. So, that is equal to, sa ating rectangular form, 1.378 or angle 8.42. So, equal to 1.36 plus 0.20 I. Next, at k is equal to 2. Okay? So we have here, again, z is equal to, so same na siya, ano, 1.378. We're angle, so 33.69 plus 2 multiplied by 360 over 4, that is equal to, we have 1.378, we have 33.69, we have 360 times 2 plus 33.69 divide by 4, that is equal to 188.42. So therefore, ang atin pong equivalent sa rectangular form ay 1.378 for angle 188.42 is equal to negative 1.36 minus 0.20 I. And the last root is equal to when k is equal to 3. So z is equal to 1.378. So change lang yung value ng k. So same pa rin naman ang theta, 33.69 plus 3 multiplied by 360 over 4, that is equal to 1.378 per angle. We have 3 times 360, 1,080 plus 33.69 divide by 4, that is equal to 278.42. And to get the equivalent rectangular form, so 1.378 angle 278.42, that is equal to 0.20 minus 1.36i. So, ito po yung ating mga roots. So, 0.20 minus 36i, negative 1.36 minus 0.20i, 1.36 plus 0.20i, and this one. So, meron tayong 4 na roots.